nakita ko na pala yung contribution ko for this month's donation drive.
Oh, thank you so much, babe. Naku naman, you don't have to. Pero this is super-duper helpful sa Dalisay Foundation.
Always happy to help.
Hi, girls. Oh my gosh, hi, babe.
Hi.
Hello. How are you? I'm good. I'm good.
Share for your chocolate.
Yes.
Dami naman nito.
Of course, babe. Wow, thank you so much, babe.
Thank you to you din for always organizing this every month. I'm sure madami kang natutulungan.
Well, alam niyo naman, malapit yung puso ko sa mga bata, sa mga taong nangangailangan. So, thank you din, guys, for helping out.
Of course, we're always happy to help.
You know what? I'm actually free this weekend. Are you free?
Yeah, if
You wanna come?
Yeah, we should go.
Girls, chill. You know what I always believe in, right? Good charity always remains anonymous. So we don't even have to go there para magpakilala pa o magpakita, diba?
Exactly, you have a point.
Exactly. We don't have to post on social media gaya nung iba.
Hindi naman tayo clout chasers.
Correct. Oh. This must be the coordinator na of the Dalisay Foundation. I'll just check on this. Thank you so much, guys. Love ya!